Hi everyone, Eid Mubarak to all of you, and today I'm going to teach my choreography to Befikra, and it's a bit tough routine. If you don't get it first time, you must rewind the video and learn it. I've divided the routine in 3 segments. First we will do the first segment. The first segment starts with this step. We will take our right hand over the head and lift our right leg like this. 1. Then we will lift our left leg. 2. Again. 1, 2. Then we will bring our body to the left side. 3. Then we will go back. 4, 5, 6. Okay? Let's do it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we will cross our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slide the right hand over the left hand and 1. Then look to the left side. 2. Then 3, 4. Let's do it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it the whole part again. From the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we will come front by sliding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then we will bring our left leg in front. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then by going back, we will punch our both hands between the legs. 1, 2. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then we will punch our right hand and left hand. 1, 2. Cross the legs. Open the legs. Jump. Turn around. Once again. This is a bit tough, but we have to do. We were here. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. When we are doing this, we must remember that we have to wait for a second. You must watch the video first with the song. It's below the video in the description box, Befikra dance video. You must watch it and try to remember the steps on beat. Then you should come back to the routine and learn it. So we were here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. We should do it a little bit slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over here. We will push our right leg back and lift our left leg. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we will drop our left leg like this. 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's do it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will come in front by taking our left hand around 1. then our right hand, 2, then both the hands. Let's do it. First, our leg part. We were here. While after doing this step, we will bring our left leg in front, then right leg, then we will come down. Okay? Now the hand movement. We were here, down, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Again. From here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we'll take this leg here, our hands over here, then 1 and 2. It's a bit tricky, but if you practice it, you will get it easily. We were here, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This part is a little bit tough and it's tricky also. So you should watch the video and try to get it on the beat. Okay? So we were here. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, then 5, and when the right hand comes down with the right leg, and we will come here and we will open our legs, then cross leg and here come 1, 2. The sitting position is a bit tricky and a bit tough too, so you should try it as much as you can. We were here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open leg, cross leg, hand here. Bring your left leg over the right leg and then both the hands down and come. Okay, let's do it again. I know you are not getting it, but you will get it easily when you will do it, practice it again and again. So we were here, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After doing this, we will jump on the right side. 1, come back. 2, come back. Let's do the whole part from the top till here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So, after doing this, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. This part is like 1, back 2, 3, back 4 and 5. We will clap and come here. 1, 2. Okay, let's do it again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, clap, grab, 1, 2, and as soon as you step the second time, 1, you will throw something and come here. Then we will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, again, it's much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, from here we will take our hand to our mouth and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4. Then bring your red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will do from the top, from where we have learned. So start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after doing this, okay, we were here. Now we will jump right and then left like this. We were here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2. Then kick, kick, cross, come back. 1, 2, 3, slide. Let's do it again from the jumping portion. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So friends, we have finished with our first segment. Now it's time to move on to the second segment. Second segment is a little bit fast and a tough too. So I will give you the key points so that you can grab it easily. So we were here. Now we will come and we will start for the Befikra position. To do it fast, the original step is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So to do it slowly, we will first remember the slow steps. We will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The trick is we will first kick both the legs. 1, 2, then we will hop. 3, 4, then we will 1. The fast step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we will kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So after doing this and this, we will do the बेफिक्री में खोना ज़रूरी है. So I would like you to zoom to the legs. Please, can you zoom a little bit so that only legs are visible. The leg portion is 1, 2. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we do it fast, it will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, zoom back. So we were starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will take our right leg back and you must try to balance a little bit or else you will find it difficult. So we will twist our waist. 1, 2, 3, 4. The leg is back. You just have to twist your waist. 1, 2, and spin your leg. Right leg like this. Leg is back. Twist your waist and your leg. 1, 2, and then just your leg. First you have to twist both. 1, 2, 3, 4. The body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then bring your right leg. 1, 2, and in front. Again, body roll, push. Body roll, push. 1, 2. Okay, let's do it slow. 1, 2, and from the back, 3, 4. Again, from the body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Then a little bit of arm wave, like the Tiger Shroff did. 1, and then he waved. 1, then the same thing which we did in the body roll. We will do it here. 1, look right, wave and push your legs. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it from the body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Then from here we will slide. 1, 2. The Michael Jackson position. The step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do the second segment, all speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. From here, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we finished with the second segment also. Now the last segment, which is the beat one. When Tiger Shroff and Disha Patani moves underground to a fighting zone. The beat here comes like tiger, tiger, tiger. It comes in beat like this. We will take our hands up, then we will come down. 1. We will take our right hand back. 2. Your left hand. 3. Your right hand front. 4. 5. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then take your hand up. 1. Take it right. 2. Take it front. Once again from here. 1. Look right. 2. Look front. 3. Okay. Let's do it from top. The third segment. 1, 2, 3. One more thing. When you are doing this step, 1. When you take your hand back, you must look in that direction only. 1. Then look to the left direction. 2. Then right. Then left. Come front. Take your right. 2. Okay. Then this hand part. Left hand, right hand, left hand. 1, 2. Again, a little bit slow. I know it is very tough, but you need to little bit of time only. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it from the top till here. The third segment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to come front. 1, 2. Okay? Let's do it again. 1, 2. Now take your right hand to your waist. 1. Left hand to your waist. 2. Then the leg portion. You must look the legs very clearly. 1, 2. Let's do it again. This part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is very simple. When you take your right hand, take your left hand across, then you will take your legs like 1 and open it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's do it from top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, after doing this step, you will take your hand down. 1, 2, then 3, 4. You will do it fast till that beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you will go back. 3, 4, 5, 6. Open your legs. The last step of it is the signature step of Befikra. It's unique and I took a little bit of time to choreograph it. So you need to learn it by heart because it's the top step of this whole song. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? Any confusion in this step, you must rewind back the video and take your time and then come here. Now, the final step, which is the Befikra. We will come down to our left side. 1. Okay? You need to go down as much as you can. 1. Now, you have to turn around and take your left hand like this. Okay? From here like this. 1. When we are doing this is the very important step. So, pay a little bit of attention to it. 1. Then take your hand and your leg also, right leg also. Again. 1, 2. Your right hand will be under your left hand. Once again. 1, 2. Come down and your right leg also. Down and you have to take a wave to come back. Okay? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? We have done it here till here. Now it's time to start the third segment. A little bit of speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Befikra B. It is still Befikra B. Now we need to finish it. Oh, you are here. 2, 3, wave. Then 1, 2. Okay. From here, 1. From here, 1, 2. You need to come on till here and take your hand in the opposite direction. 1, 2. Then bring your left leg out. Turn. Come here. Okay. Let's do it from here. 1. Wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it slow. From here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to push your left leg back and come onto the heels of your right leg. Like this. Do it slowly. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. From here. 1, 2, 3, 4. As soon as your right heel touches the ground, you have to change this step and take your right hand and then come back again. Very fast. Otherwise, it will not look like an illusion. It will look like a step. And I don't think so that people must say that it's not clear and all. So do it clearly. Okay. Start from the बेफिक्रा part. बेफिक्रा भी होना ज़रूरी. When you come here and back, 1, then shoulder down. First you have to take your head down, then shoulder down. It's isolation. Like we do this, we have to take your head, then your shoulder. Again. 1, 2. Very easy. Like first take your head down, then slowly your shoulder down. 1, 2, then 3, 4, turn around. Okay? Let's do it from the बेफिक्रा. बेफिक्रा भी होना ज़रूरी है. Till here. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then, as soon as you do this step, turn around. Then you have to repeat one step. That was this one. 1, 2, cross, back. Once again. 1, 2, cross, come back. Once again. 1, left. Let's do it again. First you have to push your right leg. 1, then your left leg. 2, then cross your both legs. 3, then come back. Let's do it fast. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then you have to take your right leg back. Point it with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, slide. We have done it in the signature step of बेफिक्रा, the second segment. We have to do it again in the third segment. When we do this step, turn around, back. We have to do this step. And remember, you have to do it with speed. So practice it slowly and then come with speed. If you try to do it with speed, you will do like this, that, and you will fall. So try it slowly and then come with speed. It will help you a lot. Try it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and slide. Okay. Then the ending step, which I love the most, is the stunt. We do this, come to the knee and push ourselves. It's very tough. If you didn't get it, don't be sad. Don't try it and hurt yourself. But if you are like a b-boy and you love to do this, so it's for you only. So we have to come on your right knee. You have to come on your right knee after doing whatever you want, but turn and get down on your right knee so that you can push yourself and come back. So let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and come back. I can't do this step very slowly because it can only be done with speed. So try it as much as you can slowly and then come it with speed. Once again. So that's it. We have learnt Befikra and I hope you like this choreography. And if you want to watch the video, the dance video, you must look in the description box and I need your support. You must like the video, subscribe to my channel, and this is my first tutorial. If you want more tutorials, you must subscribe to my channel and leave your comments in the description box below, and happy Eid.